Yo guys, welcome back. It's Fish Talk Gaming here again today. So today we're going to be fishing a few places around Brewston, Camden, and even maybe Big Sandy. And we're going to be fishing a few farm ponds also. So please stay tuned. Thank you guys for being patient. All my viewers and subscribers, thank you for all the support. But I've been quite busy, so I'll see you guys at the spot.
Well,
Yep. Does he know I don't have a driver's license? Alright.
you got a hit.
Yep. Told you I had a hit over there a while ago.
Look, I'm home. Hung in the street right here. Look your frog.
Boy, you better get that out.
Oh God.
Those things aren't cheap. They're about $7 or $8 a piece.
I can get it out.
Yeah, that line breaks, you're gonna be in trouble. You might have to go swimming. That line breaks.
Gotta take my scrunchie off. My girlfriend killed me. She found out. I bet it's bad when they start pumping.
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. That's the best time.
No, I meant right here. That water gets over here.
No, that's when the fish bite. They ain't pumping it today real well. Dang. Had a hit. Right there.
Do you not talk to your GoPro?
When I catch fish, I do.
What dog? Did you see that? Got it and left. I missed it. I'll put it back out there. There you go, right there. Watch this. You got it too.
Got him.
Ah, yeah. That's another little crappie, wasn't it?
Yup.
Yeah. You got him a bigger one that time. Hey, man, that's a big one.
Guys, we just
That's the
caught
one
this
got away from mine.
crappie. We just caught this crappie, guys.
That's
We've
the
been
one got
fishing
away
for a
from me a
long
while ago.
time. That's a nice one, guys. Nice.
You got it, man. All right, there's
Nice.
some more in there.
8-9 inch crappie. That's
Pretty
nice,
nice.
guys. That's my first fish of the day. I missed one, so I'll see you guys when I catch another one. See you, buddy.
There you go.
I just had a bass on.
Had a bass on.
Uh-huh.
We'll get it back on. Big bass.
Yeah. Pretty big, man. Pretty big.
Oh, you still got it
Guys,
on.
we just caught this crappie here. It's a nice one here.
All right.
Good
Dang, that's
8
a
inch.
pretty one, boy. Yeah.
8 inch. We're catching them right out of this little hole over here. It's a nice one. See you guys when I catch another one. Here you go, buddy. I'm just gonna put another minnow on. We don't have to cut this part.
Oh, you got 2 now. I got 3, you got 2. I got 2 here. Well, he probably get it. All right there.
Guys, I just had a gar hit my bait. I just turned it on.
I made him jump. Yeah. You did it again, didn't you, dog? Hey, boy, this is crazy. This is crazy, boy. Well, I got a bait come off. No one did. Got one on there.
All right, guys.
Oh, a
All right,
good
guys. I got a fish on now.
bowfin, catfish. No, it's that bowfin. Like
Guys, I got a bowfin on it now. Goodness, guys.
Yeah,
Goodness, guys. Woo! This thing is crazy, man. This thing is crazy, guys. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, but we might catch another one here. I don't know yet. My goodness.
You broke the line?
Broke the line.
Oh, he's gone.
Alright, guys. See you when I catch another fish. Fish Talk Gaming here again today. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications also. Thank you for watching through the whole video, and I hope you have a great God bless week. Sorry for the content not coming out, but I've been quite busy.